Hey fam, and welcome to another video with your girl Net. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these delicious red velvet cookies. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you are new here, please hit a like, comment, and also share on your way in. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So y'all, don't y'all hate when y'all always have to go to Crumbl Cookie to get one of those big old cookies that be super soft and moist? Well, look no more. You can make these on your own, and it's very easy, simple ingredients. All you need is 3 eggs, some oil, box cake mix, some Philadelphia cream cheese, and some heavy whipping cream. So first you want to start by with your dry ingredients, which I am using a sifter just to make sure all of the ingredients come out very smooth. You want to make sure you get all the lumps out. So I'm going to shake until I get all of the lumps out, and you might need a little help at the end. I usually just throw the rest out. Like, I don't add that extra because it'd be like gritty, so you don't want that in there. Now we're going to add our oil. Also, we're going to add 3 large eggs. And y'all, that is it. Like, you don't need no more ingredients to this. So we're just going to whisk this all together to make a dough. And you want to make sure you get all of the flour, the powder, whatever you want to call it. You want to get it all in there and mix it up real good. So that way it could come out looking something like this. Nice and smooth. No lumps, no clumps. Now I got a little baking sheet, which I put some foil on top, and we're just going to add our cookies, which I'm using a ice cream scoop for it. It just gives me like the right portions for each cookie, and I'm going to do about 6 because you don't want to overcrowd your baking sheet because these spread out pretty wide. Once you're done, it should look something like this. And then we're just going to sit this in the oven on 350 for about 25 minutes. Now I'm going in to start with my frosting. All I'm using is some cream cheese, which you're going to whisk so it can get nice and fluffy and let the air inside of it. It just make it nice and fluffy. So don't skip this step. Now I'm going to go ahead with a sifter again, and I'm going to add my powdered sugar, which you want to add about 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm not measuring it because I kind of know how to eyeball it and know it's enough. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of powdered sugar to this mixture, and you could just gradually add it. So I'm adding about half of it in now, and then I'm going to add some more later just so I can get the consistency that I need. Now we're just going to blend until we get that frosting consistency. And you will be able to tell because first it'll start off looking like some cold butter. But then when you keep whisking it, it's going to look like a nice creamy frosting. So keep whisking. So once all the mixing is done, this is what your frosting should look like. So here go our cookies fresh out the oven. So I already let these cool down, and they came out just so perfect, like the perfect size, just like the ones you could get from Crumbl. And it's just simple. So now I went ahead and put it on the little display table, and I'm going to go ahead and add some frosting on top of each cookie, which I'm using a piping bag. And y'all, look at that. I'm getting better and better with this. Y'all, look how good these look. It look just like store-bought, but it's even better because I made it from home. So I'm just going to add some little red velvet pieces on top of each cookie just for decorations. So if you guys made it this far, I just have a simple question to ask. When you go to Crumbl, what is your favorite cookie you like to get? Please leave it down in the comment section. I would love to hear y'all replies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching the video. Until next time, you guys, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Peace.